Hey everyone, this is Vic. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you the quickest Windows 11 tool to do speech to text. It's such a great time saver, and if you're anything like me and you hate typing, you're going to love this tool. So the first thing I want to do is I want to bring up the on-screen keyboard so that you can go ahead and see the keystrokes that I'm doing. You don't have to bring up your on-screen keyboard. I'm just doing it so you can see the keystrokes. So what it's going to take is to hit the Windows button, typically in the bottom left to the right, and the H key at the same time. Now, if your permissions are not set, what will happen is that you're going to get a pop-up that's going to say, hey, voice typing needs access to your microphone. So at that point, don't click on the got it, click on the go to microphone settings. Once you click on the microphone settings, it's going to bring it to privacy and security microphone, and you're probably going to see that it's either off or the app for speech to text might specifically be off. So whichever one it is, set it to on, and then your next screen, it'll automatically put all of your apps on or whatever you want off, and you could just set yours up accordingly. Now, once that's done, every time thereafter that you hit the Windows H key, you'll be set up to go. So I'm going to hit the I want to be in the box that I'm going to type in. So whether you're in ChatGPT, Gemini, or you're in a Google search bar, or here I'm in a Word doc or Excel, once you're in the box that you want to type, you're going to hit the Windows H key. And now you see the pop-up with the microphone flashing as I speak, period. I want to tell you to demonstrate punctuations that welcome to New York, period. New paragraph. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. You know how to say that, period. New line. Check the description below because I'm going to put in a lot of the available commands that come with the speech to text. Now, the next thing I want to show you real quick is changing the settings just for your specific purposes, period. Now click on the microphone so now I could talk without it typing everything that I'm saying. So if you go here, you can set up whatever settings you want, automatic punctuation, filter profanity, or whatever any of the other settings are. So that's just some superficial type stuff that you could do. And once you're set, you're going to be set, and any app that you're in, it's going to be so easy. You're just going to do Windows plus the H. So again, check the description where I'm going to put a lot of the commands, and thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.